Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you, brother?
I'm also fine, but I think you are sleepy and you should need to go to sleep.
Yes.
but but you are trying to improve yourself heart and soul to learning and speaking
Yes.
English.
Learning
What is the
English.
purpose for your purpose of learning English?
Okay, because so many things I learning English, and after I think last 1 month ago I didn't practice learning English, and today I decide I uh, practice some friends like you, and that's why I
Mhm.
open this application.
Okay, that's great. And yes, please continue to practice because when you speak to the person and especially in real time, and that's it's to be boost your confidence. And when you are speaking, especially like in the video call, it's much helpful because when I just said an example when saying then you thought you should need to be speak later and you should need to be do do the answer, and for this reason you should need to try to think about English in your mind, and it's really helpful. Yes, and if you are trying to just learning from YouTube, you are just listening. You are not talking.
Not
For
talking.
this reason, it's not proper way to learning and speaking. First of all, if you want to be fluent in speaking, then obviously you should need to be speak loudly and clearly and slowly, not too fast. Don't try to speak too fast. Yes, there he is saying too fast for this reason. I should need to be. No, it's not a way. You just should need to be speak slowly and
Slowly.
clearly. Yes.
Right, brother. Actually, I learn English with some friends when I free time. At that time, I
Mm-hmm.
uh, this application sometime use, but another application I have installed, and like CB application. This application also good. It's not video call. This application only for audio call. And their brother
What is the name of this application?
C
CV.
CB application SIVI.
SIVI.
And
It's just for Indian people.
no, Indian people or Bangladeshi people also use this application. And
CV.
another application is PR Up. Do you know PR Up?
No, I have no idea.
PEERUP PR Up application. It's also good
Okay.
application. Sometimes I
Okay, it's a
use this
video call.
application. No. It's audio call only.
Audio call. Okay.
Yes.
But you think this site is very helpful?
Yes, brother. Actually, I'm a beginner learner in English, so that is why when I free time and only audio call is very helpful for me, and also video call also very best way for learning English.
Obviously. So how many days you are using this platform?
Sorry, brother.
How many days you are using this platform is episode on?
Yes. Episode and application actually before 3 months ago I installed, but not practice every single day. And
Okay.
after 2 months ago, I uh, like before 2 months ago, I use this application, and today I decide this application open and practicing like this. Okay.
Okay, I understand. And what is your purpose for learning English?
Okay, that's a great question for me. Actually, learning English, my passions and my hobby, and because when I get fluent speaker in English, and I will go to abroad, my future hobby and my future plan, because I am a content creator, and I want to be a fluent speaker. And when I fluent in English at that time, I will go to another place and another country, uh, and uh, I will make a video, blog video.
Okay. So you just went to abroad for your job purpose, especially like that,
Yes,
and you want to continue your content create like that. Yeah, that's a great thing. And do you complete your graduation?
yes, I have completed my graduation.
And which subject?
Actually, political science.
Political science.
Yes.
Yeah, it's that's great. And which part you are living in India?
Northeast part of India, and I'm basically live in Assam. Do you know Assam?
Yes, I heard this name, Assam.
Near
And
West Bengal state.
West Bengal.
Yes.
And so recently I have saw some news in West Bengal, like they are doing election,
Yes, election.
and the opposite party in the Mamata Banerjee's Shubhendu Adhikari.
Shubhendu Adhikari.
He is win- yes, he is winning, and he tortured in Muslims people. I saw some news. Is it true?
Yes, is it also true? Very bad situation in West Bengal when like opposite party win. Very bad situation now.